Is our education system really ours? Or is it still a leftover from the British Raj? Why do we only memorize textbook, write the same in exams and call it educations? Let's dive deep into the roots of India's current education system and ask, is it time for complete reset? The British legacy. In 1835, British officials Thomas Babington Macaulay introduced a new system of education in India. His aim wasn't to empower Indians, it was to create a class of people who were Indian in blood but English in taste and intellect. This led to the famous Woods Dispatch in 1854, laying the foundation of British style education in India. The goal was simple: produce clerks and low level workers for the British Empire. And guess what? Much of that same system still exists today. The problem today is memorizing, understanding, marks, skills, theory, practical, one size fits all systems. Students are forced to memorize chapters without real understanding. Practical knowledge is limited. Creativity, questioning, and problem solving often ignore. We judge students based on marks, not their actual talent or intelligence. Are there any reforms? India's new education policy 2020 is a step in the right directions. It promotes critical thinking, skill development, coding from early grades, multiple subjects and language, less pressure from board exams. But changing policies is not enough. We need a mindset change too. Ancient India's real education systems. Before British rule, India has world-class universities like Nalanda and Takshashila. Students came from all over the world to study mathematics, astronomy, medicines, and philosophy. So why can't we reclaim that legacy today? It's time to rethink what education really means, not just about marks and degrees, but about thinking, questioning, and growing. What do you think? Should India completely redesigns its education system? Like, share, and comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe GeoFocus for more eye-opening content. Thank you.